wish I would have thought of this earlier.
Yeah.
I don't know, this...
Oh, God put his 2 cents worth in.
Yeah, too bad this isn't the kind of thing you can go woo at. So quiet. Woo.
You can woo. That guy wooed. Hey! Oh, I love those.
Don't stop doing them 12 once. I don't know where to go.
Yay!
Wow, I like those. Trying to watch it on my camera at the same time so I know that I'm aiming right.
Yeah. Oh, pretty.
I know my aim sucks.
Thump, thump. Oh, a square.
That's really freaky. Honey, is this part of the show? I have no idea.
I don't think so, dear.
Oh, it's making the dog pee on the seat.